WOHLHAUPTER India continues to build a community of leaders shaping the future of Indian manufacturing with Manufacturing Maestros as a partner for Season 2. The movement is promoting leaders who are building precision-driven manufacturing capabilities that help Indian companies compete confidently in demanding global markets.
We're happy to collaborate with Machine Maker in organizing this Manufacturing Maestro. Manufacturing Maestro Season 1 redefined the mindset of the way world looking at the industry of manufacturing. At WOHLHAUPTER, we produce the high precision, high productive solution for today's engineering industries. We offer minimum 0.4 to 3.2 meter digital boring head solutions, which provides the total solution for all type of industries like agriculture, aerospace, automotive, engineering sector, oil and gas industries. As a part of Allied Machine Engineering Corporation, we are pioneer in hole making solution for today's manufacturing. Now we are all set for Season 2. The first event of the season was happening in Bangalore on 20th May 26 at Taj Oemeta, Yeshwantpur. As a part of special occasion, WOHLHAUPTER warmly welcome all customer and industrial leaders to join us celebrate the manufacturing leaders of India's industries.